Today we will study an numerical of pay fixation. The numerical is Sri Manohar Lal Sharma was drawing basic pay of rupees 42,480 in the pay band of rupees 15,600 to 39,100 with grade pay of rupees 7,800 per month from 1st February 2019, retired on 13th April 2021 on attaining age of superannuation, that is 58 years. First of all, calculate his last pay drawn as on the date of retirement. His qualifying service has been calculated as 34 years, 8 months and 26 days. He was having credit balance of 283 days of earned leave in his leave account on the day of his retirement. And second one is presuming that DA 153% is payable with effect from 1st January 2021. Calculate is following pension retirement benefits, such as first one is pension, second one is family pension, third one is retirement gratuity, and fourth one is pension commutation, and last one is leave encashment. So now we are going to calculate one by one the particulars asking in this question. So solution of this numerical is dated 1st February 2019. Basic pay is given, that is rupees 42,480, and grade pay mentioned in this question is rupees 7,800. So emoluments become rupees 50,218 on sum of basic pay as well as grade pay. Now dated 1st February 2020, because pay drawn on 1st February 2019 is 42,480 with grade pay 7,800. So annual increment month is February. Therefore retirement date mentioned is 30th April 2021. Till then we have to calculate annual increment also. So first annual increment month is 1st February 2020. Now annual increment we have to calculate. This is 50,280 3% is equal to rupees 1,508.4, that is rupees 1,510. Next multiple to 10. Now emoluments become 50,280 plus 3% increment added to this become 51,1790. Now dated 1st February 2021, basic pay is this for 1st February 2021, because annual increment added to basic pay 51,790. 3% is equal to rupees 1,553.7, that is rupees 1,506. Next multiple of 10. Now retirement date is mentioned in this numerical is 13th April 2021. Emoluments is equal to 51,790 plus 1,560 is equal to rupees 53,350. This is the emoluments for drawing pension, family pension, retirement gratuity, pension commutations and leave encashment. All the particulars asking in this numerical. This is the basic pay plus grade pay mean emoluments, in which increment on 1st February 2020 and increment on dated 1st February 2021 is also added. Now we have to derive particulars asking in this question one by one. First one is pension. For this qualifying service mentioned in this numerical is 34 years 8 months and 26 days. That means 33 years. We have to take only 33 years service. Beyond 33 years period became null and void. Therefore 33 multiplies by 2, that is 66. We called in Hindi Chhamaiya, that is 6 months, 66. Now DA mentioned in this question is 153%. So we have to calculate pension. Pension is 50% of emoluments, that is 53,350 become rupees 26,675 and DA mentioned 153%. So 26,675 153, so then DA, we have DA equal to rupees 40,812.75. now added to basic. Therefore pension, total emoluments of pension on a retirement is 26,675 plus 40,812. Therefore amount of pension is 67,487.75. This is basic amount and this is DA mentioned in this numerical is 153%. Now come to the next particular, that is family pension. Family pension when death of employee happen. Formula of this family pension is 30% of emoluments, that is 30% of emolument mentioned in this numerical 53,350, that is 30 by 100 multiplied by 53,350, that is rupees 16,005. Now DA mentioned in this numerical is 153%. Then on calculating, it becomes 24,487.65. On adding basic as well as DA, family pension becomes 16,005 plus 24,487.65 that is rupees 40,492.65. This is the amount of family pensions. Now we come to the next point, that is retirement gratuity. That is 53,350 divided by 4 multiplied by 66. On calculating, this becomes 13,337.5, and 66 is the length of service. In Hindi we called Chamaiya. Now on calculating, retirement gratuity become rupees 8,80,275 rupees. Now come to the next particulars, that is pension commutation of pension. This is the amount when an employee after retirement take this amount collectively till the age of 70 years. Now formula of this is 40% of pension multiplied by commutation factor multiplied by 12. Commutation factor varies with the length of service. For 8-year-old employee, it is 8.371. Therefore 40% of 53,350 multiplied by 8.371 multiplied by 12. On calculating this, it become 21,340 multiplied by 8.371 multiplied by 12 become rupees 21,400. 21,43,645.68. This is the computation of pensions employee take on the age of 58 years when he is going to retire in advance pension amount. Now come to the last particulars, that is leave encashment. This is earned leave credit. In this numerical, earned leave credit at account of employees 283 days, but maximum of earned leave cash are 270. Therefore earned leave cash in this numerical is 53,350 divided by 13 multiplied by 270. We have to take only 270 out of 283. Then 4,80,149.99 mean rupees 48,150. This is the leave encashment amount. Thank you.